Bridge, this is AB in engine room. Smoke from auxiliary generator fire. Spread fast. Sounding alarm.
Roger, AV, Masa, emergency fire in engine room. All hands to station. Fire team to engine room.
Report, Chief Engineer, Second Engineer, Engine, Room now, Battle Station, over.
Bridge. Fire ng auxiliary generator. Extinguisher deployed, but ventilation failed. Evacuating the VR.
C. Supporting life boundary. Secured but heat rising recommended abandon. Shift is if uncontained.
Bridge, Boston. Smoke visible from aft. Preparing lifeboat. Crew mastering at stations.
Officer of the watch, Mayday broadcast, repair lifeboat, evacuate non-essential crew, ship adrift, awaiting rescue, over.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. MV Ocean Voyager, 45 degree 30 north, 030 degree 15 west. Fire in engine room, evacuating lifeboats, position exact, over.
Master, steering alarm radar indicator red. No response.
Chief Engineer, Second Engineer to bridge now. Officer of the watch, check backups.
Engine room, bridge steering failure urgent.
Confirm. C. Can prepare at sea. Anchor immediately to hold position.
Bridge, Boston. Ready for anchor. Detail. Shape clear.
Let go anchor. Officer of the watch, pan to all stations. Advise vicinity, give way.
Pan. MV Ocean Voyager, 45 degree 30 north, 030 degree 15 west. Steering failure, anchoring now. Vessels give wide berth. Tags requested, over.
Master, floating container. 2 points off. Starboard bow.
Person, standby to slip anchor if needed. Officer of the watch, log and broadcast security.
I, Master. Take clear for maneuver.
Bridge. System stable. No impact on anchor. I repeat, no impact on anchor.
Security. MV Ocean Voyager at anchor, 45 degree 30 north, 030 degree 15 west. Drifting container at 45 degree 32 north, 030 degree 10 west. All vessels, exercise, fusion, over.